Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video. I think your merchant center has been suspended for misrepresentation. Don't worry, I can fix your merchant center and website problem within 5 to 7 days. Reapprove product item. This store is my Pakistani agency client store. I will start working in this store and I will record my screen after got merchant center approval. Thank you right now, bye bye, and I will record after approval. Thank you. Alhamdulillah, I have been able to reapprove this merchant center. Product already active 100%, no any misrepresentation issue. This merchant center suspended 3 March. Then I started working and I was able to successfully reapprove this merchant center. Today 8 March, today date. Thank you for watching my video. Contact my WhatsApp number to fix your misrepresentation issue. Today date. Please contact my WhatsApp number. Thank you.